Thank you very much, Britton. Tonight marks the beginning of the second weekend of the San Angelo Rodeo. Our Sean Humphrey has been a fixture at the fifth largest rodeo in the world since the gates opened last week. He's finally been able to catch some of the fast-paced action. Let's welcome in Sean, who's out at the fairgrounds again this evening. Sean, I know the answer, but I'll ask it anyway. Have you been enjoying yourself?
Absolutely, Bert. I have been enjoying myself, and it's an absolute honor to hear Ballin' Bert St. Pierre call me a fixture out here at the fairgrounds. And our Fox West Texas booth is fixed right outside the Gandy Inc. Pavilion. I'm standing near there right now, so I'd appreciate if people would say hi afterwards and not while I'm on the air right now, but that's beside the point. Last night, you're right, Bert, I did get to go to the fifth performance for the San Angelo Rodeo, and rather than keep talking and boring you, ladies and gentlemen, this is performance number 5.
And I would submit to you, we are one of the toughest rodeos in Texas to win. With every person standing and gentlemen covering.
Well, it's just great to see everybody that's here and seeing everything working good. We see all these paid professionals that we have. They're doing their job, and it's going to be exciting.
We love rodeo!
I need to give him a shout out. He's got a sponsor.
Now, little whiskey, the spirit of the American cowboy.
We love every one of you. Thank you so much for spending your hard-earned dollar making this event what it is. Give yourself a round of applause. You're great. We love you. Thank you. We love you so
I definitely had a chance to see why this event is so popular for San Angelo natives, and even though I'm not a San Angelo native, I can guarantee you that in the future I'll be back, whether it's next year or 30 years from now. I will find a way to make it back here because it was absolutely amazing. I was super impressed by the animals and the performers, and even the barrel man. He was giving me quite a few chuckles, but hey, for now I'm gonna leave y'all alone. So from the Western Finance Carnival, live, Sean Humphrey, Fox West Texas.
Looks like a great time. Thank you very much, Sean. An early